Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are doing a fun and quick way of bedazzling a shirt at home using your bare hands with some bling and a few little aids and fabric glue. Please relax and enjoy this video, and please remember to share and to like. Okay, thank you so much guys.
Oh, we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, the summertime, I met you in the summer, yeah, the summertime, yeah, yeah, yeah. When I met you in the summer, oh, we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer.
Guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I will be doing a t-shirt. This one is for my niece, so she's turning 2 guys, and yes, I did the print already. So she's very girly, she likes unicorn like myself, so I have decided just to give her a little bling. Last time I used this, which is the star, so I'm just gonna give her something else unique. I have some sequins here. I have these. They're all unique pieces, but nah, this is not showing up the colors. I think I have this big star here. Could I just probably put it right here? Yeah, kind of. I like that like that. What I normally do, guys, is just to mess around with stuff before I actually put them in place. So I threw out a few stuff to see what would have looked the best. So I think I'll be using these diamonds. They're all different sizes, so I'm just gonna put some onto the t-shirt, and afterwards I'm gonna mess around with it to actually see the pattern that I will be using. Okay guys, and of course I'll be using my handy dandy kebab sticks. So just messing around with them. So guys, those were too tiny, so I decided to use some of the bigger ones, these ones, and I've already put them in place. So this is what it looks like. I am now ready to go ahead and glue them on. I hope I'm not too fussy, but this is what I like doing, designing. So I've completed almost all of it, and I am just randomly putting them in place randomly. I always use a small amount of glue because it dries so fast.